You keep hearing and seeing this buzzword functional freeze, but are you struggling with it? Have you experienced it? And is it just another buzzword, or is there actual truth behind the meaning? Functional freeze is the ability to achieve your daily habits and your functional needs so you appear functioning. But below the surface, your body is like frozen. It's paralyzed. It's unable to move and move forward with the goals that are in alignment with your vision. You're able to take care of everything for everyone else, but when it comes back to you, we freeze. And here are some signs that you might be struggling with functional freeze. Signs you are in a functional freeze. You're productive, yet you're not progressing. You're tired even when you haven't done anything. You avoid the exact thing that would change everything for you. You feel stuck, but you can't explain why. In today's video, we're going to be doing a somatic release with EFT tapping to release that functional freeze so that way you can start creating momentum on the action steps, your goals, your dreams that you are working towards. Here's some more clarity on, are you truly in a functional freeze? You have your vision, your goals, or even the next steps, but you start to notice that you're delaying taking action, or you're even distracting yourself when it's time for you to take action on your goals, visions, or the next steps that you've laid out for yourself. You stay busy as a way to distract from the action steps that you really know you need to take. The busy work at home can look like laundry, dishes, cleaning. It's that revolving door that never seems to check off your list. And with your personal goals, you're doing those initial steps, but you're not taking those leaps, those consistent leaps that are going to help you move the needle. You feel mentally on, but physically shut down. You wake up in the morning, you've got your sleep, you rested, but you don't feel rested. You don't feel like you've actually gotten enough rest to start the day over, and it almost feels like you're running on empty. You're on borrowed energy in order to get your minimum tasks done, when in reality you know you need to take that next step, but you don't have enough energy to get there. You know what you want in life, but for whatever reason, when it's time for you to take action or stay consistent with the action steps, it has this energy of why bother. If any of that resonated, we're going to be able to release that today with our EFT tapping sequence. We are going to be doing 3 rounds of tapping. All you have to do is mirror me. And because functional freeze tends to really debilitate us, we are going to do what's called faster EFT. We are going to focus on 4 points versus all of the tapping points to really allow your body to supercharge to getting out of that functional freeze and into a functioning state, so that way you can really achieve your goals, your dreams, and your vision. All you have to do is mirror me, bookmark this video, and return anytime you notice those symptoms of you heading back into that functional freeze. We're going to start tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though I feel stuck, like I can't move forward, I choose to feel safe in my body. Even though part of me feels frozen, even when I want to do more, I honor what my body is doing. Even though I'm in the shutdown mode, I am open to shifting this at a pace that feels safe. Take a deep breath, scan your body. And functional freeze, we have to remember, you're able to get your basic needs done, but when it comes to thriving, that's where we tend to struggle. So let's dive in to our first round of tapping and repeat after me. This frozen feeling, the stuck energy, the shutdown in my body. Side of the eye. I want to move forward, but something stops me. I feel paused. Under your eye. Going through the motions, but feeling disconnected. Like I'm not fully here. Collarbone. This functional freeze, this is my nervous system trying to protect me. But maybe, just maybe, I can get out of it. And maybe, just maybe, I can heal this functional freeze. Take a deep breath and squeeze your wrist. Release and let it go. We also have a meridian point here, so when we squeeze, we're able to activate that. And sometimes when we tap, our mind tends to float away, so this brings us back to our body. I want you to think about a project that you have been avoiding or that you've been neglecting, whether it's posting content, whether it's reaching out to brands, asking for that raise, that promotion, applying to that dream job. What is that one thing you've been avoiding that you know could just change everything for you? And what you're going to do is you're going to put some pressure on your chest, and this is going to send a signal to your brain that you're receiving a hug. So just take a moment here and take some deep breaths while focusing and scanning what this next step could be for you. Gaining clarity and perspective on what your body is trying to tell you. And if nothing comes forward, you can always pause the video and sit here, allowing your body and your mind to communicate with you. Beautiful. And let's dive into our second round of tapping. Start tapping on the top of your eyebrow and repeat after me. Maybe I can soften this. Maybe I can feel safe. Even just a little. Side of the eye. I don't have to force myself. I don't have to rush. I can move gently. Under your eye, my body can begin to trust that it's safe to engage, safe to take a step. Collarbone. I can come out of this freeze at my own pace in a way that feels grounded. I'm ready for this. Beautiful. Take a deep breath. Squeeze your wrist. Release and let it go. We're going to do another somatic exercise. You're going to take your hands and put them on your shoulder, and you're going to go all the way down to your elbow on both sides. This is going to send another signal that you are receiving a hug. We'll do about 5 rounds together. And just allow this to feel really good. You might yawn. That's just your body's way of regulating and relaxing, integrating the tapping that we've done together. Let's do one last one. Let's do a little shake. Releasing all that somatic stress, that functional freeze. And let's dive into our third and final round of tapping. I am safe in my body. I am safe to move. I trust myself. Side of the eye. I am allowed to take action. I am allowed to show up. I am allowed to engage. Under your eye, my energy is returning. My body is opening. I'm coming back online. Collarbone. I am no longer stuck. I am moving forward in a calm, safe way. I am no longer stuck. I am moving forward in a calm, safe way. Take a deep breath and squeeze your wrist. Release and let it go. And I want you to ask yourself that action step. Could you go and take that action step today. And to help hold yourself accountable, let's have you put it down in the comment section below. After this video, I am going to fill in the blank. I'm going to apply for that job, post that content, reach out to that brand, ask for a raise. I'm going to get out of that relationship. I'm going to move cities. Whatever that action step is, put it down. Sometimes when we write it out, we're giving ourselves permission to take action, to move through that energy of that functional freeze. And you can always come back and revisit this. Remember that when we go through a functional freeze, our body is needing a release because it's storing so much. And EFT is an amazing way to somatically release what your body has been storing. And if you like today's video, I've got 3 more free tappings for you. You can get them down in the link below, all on different topics that help you set yourself up for success. The first one is before a sales call or big meetings. The next one is just releasing the pressure to always be on. And the last one has been everyone's favorite, is tapping to release the day so you can actually get a good night's rest, which is perfect corresponding with today's tapping video. And you can get those 3 free tapping videos down below. And I cannot wait to have you continuously enjoy the benefits of tapping. Make sure you hydrate, enjoy yourself. You've got this. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I release videos out every single week and I can't wait to see you in next week's video.